Have you noticed those vibrant, tiny greens popping up everywhere, from gourmet dishes to health blogs? Microgreens are experiencing an incredible surge in popularity, and for very good reason. They are far more than just a pretty garnish. These miniature plants are true nutritional powerhouses, packed with an astonishing array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They offer a concentrated dose of goodness that can significantly elevate your daily diet. Adding microgreens is an excellent way to boost the nutritional value of almost any meal, and they are especially fantastic in smoothies. Imagine supercharging your morning blend with a handful of these nutrient-dense wonders. Today, we are diving deep into the world of microgreens. Our goal is to help you understand exactly why they are considered superfoods, and more importantly, how effortlessly you can incorporate them into your routine, especially your favorite smoothie recipes. Get ready to unlock a new level of health and flavor. So, what exactly are microgreens? Simply put, they are miniature versions of familiar vegetables and herbs. Think of them as the youthful, vibrant stage of plants we commonly eat. They are essentially seedlings of edible plants, harvested at a very specific point in their growth cycle. This typically happens after the cotyledon leaves have fully developed and the first true leaves have just begun to emerge. This early harvesting stage is crucial because it's when the plant's nutrients are most concentrated. They haven't yet used up their stored energy for extensive growth, making them incredibly potent. And magic of microgreens lies in their concentrated nutrients. Studies show they often contain significantly higher concentrations of beneficial compounds compared to their mature counterparts. This means you get more bang for your buck, nutritionally speaking. They are exceptionally rich in essential vitamins, vital minerals, and powerful antioxidants. Every tiny leaf is bursting with compounds designed to support your health and well-being. Consider microgreens the nutritional equivalent of a concentrated shot of health. They deliver a powerful punch of goodness in a very small package, making them an efficient way to boost your nutrient intake. When it comes to boosting your smoothies, microgreens bring an impressive array of nutritional benefits to the blender. They are incredibly rich in essential vitamins that are crucial for overall health. You'll find high levels of vitamins A, C, E, and K in various microgreen varieties. Vitamin A supports vision and immune function, while vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant and immune booster. Vitamin E is known for its skin health benefits and antioxidant properties, and vitamin K is vital for blood clotting and bone health. These vitamins work synergistically to keep your body thriving. Beyond vitamins, microgreens are also packed with essential minerals. Many varieties are excellent sources of iron, zinc, and magnesium. Iron is critical for energy and oxygen transport, preventing fatigue. Zinc plays a key role in immune function and wound healing, while magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle and nerve function and energy production. One of the most compelling benefits of microgreens is their high levels of antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. By neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants can reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and various chronic diseases. Incorporating microgreens regularly can contribute to long-term health. Certain microgreen varieties offer unique, variety-specific benefits that are particularly exciting. For instance, broccoli microgreens are renowned for their exceptionally high sulforaphane content. Sulforaphane is a potent compound with significant anti-cancer properties. Adding broccoli microgreens to your smoothie is a delicious and easy way to tap into these protective benefits. Adding microgreens to your smoothies is an incredibly simple process, making them a perfect fit for busy lifestyles. There's no complicated prep work involved, just a quick rinse and toss. One of their best qualities is their delicate flavor profile. Microgreens offer a wide range of tastes, from mild and sweet to distinctly peppery or earthy, depending on the variety. This versatility means they can complement a vast array of smoothie ingredients without overpowering the existing flavors. You can easily find a microgreen that enhances your favorite blend. They are an easy addition to almost any existing smoothie recipe. You can simply add a handful of your chosen microgreens without significantly altering the taste or texture of your drink. This makes them ideal for those who are new to incorporating more greens into their diet. It's a gentle way to introduce powerful nutrients without a strong, leafy green flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of microgreens to discover your favorites. Each variety brings its own unique twist and nutritional profile to the table. For a delightful nutty flavor, try adding sunflower shoots to your next smoothie. They blend beautifully and add a creamy texture. If you're looking for a little zing, radish microgreens provide a fantastic peppery kick that can awaken your taste buds. They pair wonderfully with fruit-based smoothies. And for a sweet, subtly grassy taste, pea shoots are an excellent choice. They are mild enough for almost any smoothie combination and add a refreshing element. Choosing the right microgreens is key to enjoying their full flavor and nutritional benefits. When selecting microgreens, always look for vibrant, fresh leaves. They should appear lively and crisp, indicating they are at their peak. Avoid any microgreens that show signs of wilting, yellowing, or discoloration, as these are indicators of age or improper handling. You have several convenient options for where to find these tiny powerhouses. Farmers markets are an excellent source, often offering the freshest, locally grown varieties. Many specialty grocery stores and health food markets also carry a good selection of microgreens. Check their produce section for prepackaged options. For the ultimate freshness and control, consider growing them yourself at home. It's a surprisingly simple and rewarding process that ensures a constant supply of nutrient-dense greens. Proper storage is essential to maintain their freshness and extend their shelf life. Before storing, gently wash your microgreens under cool water and then thoroughly dry them. Excess moisture can lead to spoilage, so a salad spinner or paper towel pat-down is recommended. Store them in a sealed container to protect them from air exposure. For best results, line the container with a paper towel. This helps absorb any residual moisture and keeps the microgreens crisp and fresh for longer. Finally, always refrigerate your microgreens. Stored correctly, they can last for several days, ensuring you have a fresh supply ready for your next smoothie. In summary, microgreens offer a convenient and incredibly effective way to boost the nutrition of your smoothies. They are a simple addition that delivers a powerful health punch. For anyone who is health conscious, these tiny greens are an invaluable addition to your dietary arsenal. They make it easy to enhance your nutrient intake without significant effort. Their key attributes are truly compelling: concentrated nutrients, diverse and appealing flavors, and remarkable ease of use. They fit seamlessly into any healthy lifestyle. So, why not make microgreens a staple in your kitchen? We highly encourage you to start adding a handful to your morning smoothies. You might just get a difference in your energy and overall well-being.